welcome to the channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Okay guys, this is going to be a review on Mtn Dew Flaming Hot. So we're going to see how hot this is. 280 calories. Ooh. 73 grams of sugar. Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, natural flavor, citric acid, gum, caffeine. Okay. I really don't see anything spicy in here. But it does say Mtn Dew Flaming Hot with a blast of heat and citrus. Flavor with other natural flavors. Caution, flaming hot taste. You guys know flaming hot chips are not hot. Alright, let's try it. Here we go. Kind of smells like a strawberry soda. A little bit of lemon or lime. Okay, let's see. Is it hot? No. Not hot. Does it taste like a flaming hot chip? No, you don't have it. No. Tastes like a strawberry lime drink. Very sweet. Is it hot? No. Heat level 0. I'm like, I was thinking, you know, that this was gonna be hot. No. So heat level goose egg. I've heard people say they got a little throat burn. Where was that throat burn? Because this is not hot. It's not even warm. Did you guys see? It's not hot. I'm not drinking much of it because it's got too much sugar. Sodium is 90 milligrams. Total carbs is 74 grams. Sugar 73 grams. And then it says included 73 grams added. Sugar is 146%. Protein, nothing. But, it's not hot. I don't like the flavor. It's gross. Tastes nasty to me. So, if you guys want to try it, you can, but it's not, it's a hype. It's not hot. So I hope you like this review, guys. I just wanted to be honest with you guys. And my son tried one earlier today, and he was like, no. He likes the Flaming Hot chips, and he said it don't even taste like it. So, hey. My review, 0. Hope you enjoyed.